Okay, Judy, say something.
Would you like to buy this?
We got so many trucks that Judy has to use a truck for the yard sale. Oh, look at that. Now, isn't that just, of course, the sun is bright early in the morning here. She's getting ready for the early birds. There, yeah, get in the shade so I can see you. Come forward. What are you selling? Is it all 50 cents?
It's all 50 cents.
Oh, man.
Almost.
That's the
It's
cool.
bargains.
Yeah. So she has to use the truck. So here's what she sets the yard sale on. In 1949, Dodge B1D 1-ton truck from Nevada with all her goodies laid out on the flatbed. Everything's 50 cents. Oh, Judy, don't sell that. That's my favorite. I haven't used that in at least 6 or 7 years, but we need that.
Good.
Oh,
So you notice I'm having a yard sale.
early birds.
Remember these?
Hello.